It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I am going to be doing a demo and a review on this new Huda Beauty stick foundation. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
Hey divas, so jumping right in, I am going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip primer, and I know they have a new one from Huda, but I did not feel like trying a new primer. Okay, I just wasn't in the mood. So now I'm going to set my T-zone area with the Laura Mercier loose setting powder. This one is in medium deep. This really helped out for the foundation to not get super oily in my T-zone area. And now I'm just going to go in with the foundation. This foundation is super easy to blend, as you guys can see, and I love the skin-like finish it gives. It gives off that, like, if your skin was to look perfect, this is what it would look like. And it just, I don't know, like, it just makes me look like I have like on a filter in real life, which I really love. And like I said before, like, it just blends out so flawlessly, and I absolutely love the color match. The color match on this one is super duper perfect. Like, I love it. Like, as you guys can see, there's no foundation over there, and on the side where there's foundation, it just looks perfect. Now I'm going to finish out my face, and I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Peanut Butter, and then I'm using their contouring concealer or their tan, it's something, but it's, the shade is in deep tan. And then I'm gonna go in and set the under eye with Kunafa, and then the rest of the stuff I pretty much showed you guys in my foundation routine, so I'll link that in the description box below in case you guys want the names of those items as well. But yeah, after I finish applying everything, I will finish out with my closing thoughts.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen my demo, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about this foundation. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so I actually have been wearing this foundation for about a week now, so I wanted to be able to give you guys like a full-on review rather than just trying it out one time and then not really being able to give you guys my true insight on like how I feel about it. So here is the foundation. So it's the new Huda Beauty foundation. I have it in the color 530R Coffee Bean. In the other foundation I actually had the color Nutmeg because that's what I was matched to, but I honestly feel more comfortable with the darker one because I feel like it matches my skin a lot better. So yeah, like, I really love this color. I feel like the color match is like dead on. It's really perfect, so I really do like that. Now as far as like the foundation blending and everything, I feel like it blended really well from the first time I tried it. Like, it was super easy to blend. You guys know I am a brush girl. I mainly only use brushes, so that was a big concern for me because sometimes foundations are not always easy to blend. Like, with a brush, sometimes it can come out streaky, or it's just hard to blend, or it's just like it takes forever for you to get that perfect blend. But this foundation didn't give me any problems, which was good. I typically don't have problems with stick foundations anyways. The one thing that I did notice though is that the first time I wore it, I did just use the makeup the Hydro Grip, and I did not like set it with powder or anything, and I did get really oily in my T-zone areas. I am combo. I am more dry on the outer perimeter, and then on my T-zone area I am oily. So I did notice that like the first day, like, I was an oily mess, sis, like oily. So after that I was like, I need to do something about this because this is not gonna work. Like, the foundation won't work for me if, you know, it's gonna be oily. So I was like, I decided to go ahead and try it again, and this is the reason why I want to like keep trying it before I come to you guys on camera. But anyway, so I tried it again, and I actually tried with a different primer. So I put my NARS, it's the oil control one, which is a very mattifying powder primer, excuse me. And that one I still got oily with this foundation, which I was kind of expecting, but I just wanted to try out different things so that I can be able to tell you guys what my experience was. So I still got oily with that, although throughout all of this, the foundation still looks like the foundation looks absolutely flawless. I love the way it looks. It's just the fact that I got oily in the T-zone area. So I was just like, like, this is crazy. Like, I need a break. So then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna pair the Hydro Grip with the Laura Mercier medium translucent powder, and when I tried that, that is what did it. So that's what I did today for you guys on camera as well. I don't know, I don't think that the concealer had anything to do with it, because the Huda Beauty concealer that I use, like, that doesn't make me oily. So I really do believe that it, like, my primer just needed to be set. So I feel like that was the problem. If you are oily, I would recommend that. I don't know if my oily skin may be different from somebody else's, but I would definitely recommend setting your primer. So now I'm gonna go straight to Sephora's website, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, like, basically what it says on the website and whether or not this foundation lives up to what it's supposed to be. So it says in the details what it is: a lightweight foundation that glides on easily, providing customizable coverage with a natural looking skin-like finish. It says that the coverage is full to light and the finish is natural. So going back to the first one, a lightweight foundation is definitely lightweight. I don't feel like I feel it on my skin, and I hate foundations like that. As much as I love a full coverage now, I do not want to feel like there's a weight, like, literally on my face. Like, I definitely do not want that, and I definitely feel like this foundation is lightweight. It says foundation that glides on easy. It definitely does glide on easy, so that is true. And it says providing customizable coverage with a natural looking skin-like finish. So I definitely think the coverage is customizable, so they did not lie there. So it doesn't start off super heavy, but if you want to build it up to that, you definitely can. And I do feel like it gives me like a natural skin-like finish, especially in this area. You can see it more in this area because obviously, like, I set it with a powder up here, so you can't really see. You can kind of see it because I kind of have like a natural growth from within, but I do like the natural skin finish that it gives. So overall, for the most part, the claims are true. I would definitely recommend this foundation. For me, the foundation is going to be like a winter foundation. When it's like cold weather, I definitely would not wear the stick foundation in the hot weather for myself personally, because I do have an oily T-zone area, and I feel like if I wore this when it's hot, like, it's just gonna be a hot mess for me, okay? But luckily for me, right now we're in the colder months, so I could definitely wear this foundation now and I will be just fine. So if you are oily or combo like me, I would definitely recommend any stick foundation, because if it's not super matte, like, I would just recommend to use it like during the colder months. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know, did you try this foundation out? Let me know if you picked up the primer. I was just not into like trying a new primer at the moment, because usually I like to get the primer too, but I just wasn't in the mood. So, but let me know if you got the primer and how it works with the foundation. I might try it out when I'm in the mood one day, but yeah, not today. But yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna try this out. Let me know how you like it, or why you're not gonna try it out, or whatever. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.